Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to start unit 3, that is spreadsheets in Excel. Most of the time when we are using our computers, especially in offices, we deal with some type of data or information that we want to manage. Sometimes we need to manage our data in the form of text, so Microsoft Word is the best solution we have. And sometimes we need to present our data or information to the audience, so in that case we use Microsoft PowerPoint to make presentations. And whenever it comes to represent or to arrange our data or information in the form of rows and columns or in the form of tables, so Microsoft Excel is the best solution we have in that case. So this unit is about the Microsoft Excel. We used to call this type of application as spreadsheets. So the name of this unit is spreadsheets in Excel. This is the very first lesson of this unit, in which we will see some of the introduction of this application, that is Microsoft Excel. Further we will see that what is meant by spreadsheets and how they can be used and what are the purpose of using this type of applications. Okay, first of all, introduction. Application software is computer program designed to help the user to perform specific tasks. As we know that there are two types of software, that is system software and application software. So system software is used to operate the computer's hardware, while application software is used to help the user to perform any specific task. Accounting software, office suites, graphics software and media players are the examples of application software. Many application programs deal with the table of data arranged in columns and rows, often used in business and financial applications. Of course, business and financial businesses related data includes numbers and calculations, so it must be represented in the form of tables or in the form of columns and rows. Microsoft Excel is one of them, means that financial and business related data can be easily represented in the form of tables and rows and columns in the Microsoft Excel application. Now, introduction to spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a document that stores data in grid of rows and columns. Spreadsheet concept became widely known in the late 1970s and early 1980s. Different application software has been written for spreadsheet applications. By using such software, information can be stored in a more structured way than using plain text. VisiCalc was the first electronic spreadsheet software. Here you can see the image or the interface, the image of the interface of VisiCalc spreadsheet application. It has very low graphics and the interface is not that good. Further, Lotus 123 and MS Excel are the other examples of spreadsheet software, but the most widely used spreadsheet software nowadays is MS Excel that we will study in this unit. Spreadsheet software is used to create and manipulate spreadsheets electronically in rows and columns grid. It allows the user to organize large amount of data easily. You can use a spreadsheet program to create budgets, balance sheets and other type of data-based documents. Here in this image you can see that the balance sheet is prepared using the Microsoft Excel application. So such type of data can be easily arranged and manipulated in the Microsoft Excel, and it can be easily represented in the form of tables. In spreadsheet, data is organized in tabular form, that is in rows and columns. Okay, rows are typically labeled using numbers 1, 2, 3, etc., while columns are labeled with letters A, B, C, etc. So here in this image you can see that the rows are represented with the numbers. Here you can see each row is represented by a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and the columns are represented with capital alphabets, that is A, B, C, D, E and so on. Whenever you select any cell, so the address of that cell is appears over here, that is B5. Currently we have selected this cell which contains the value 45, so the address of this cell is B, means column B8, row number 5. So B5 is the address of this specific cell. Data is displayed in cell, just like here you can see that 45 is a data element. It is represented in a cell. A cell is the intersection of row and column. Each cell can contain either numeric or text data. Both type of data can be stored inside a single cell. The value in a cell can be calculated from a formula. Yes, we can also use some type of formula to calculate the value for a cell. Each cell has a cell address. As I told you that every cell has got a specific address. When you click on that cell, the address will appear here. Just like this cell is selected, that is 45 is the value which is stored in this cell, and the address of this cell appears over here. It consists of the cell's column letter like B and row number, which is 5 in this case, like C6 or B5 as shown in the figure. Now, what is the purpose of spreadsheet? Why we use spreadsheets, and what are the useful aspects of using spreadsheet? Spreadsheet has now become an important and powerful business tool. Spreadsheet software can store and provide valuable information. It can be used for a variety of purposes, like it can be used for accounting, budgeting, customer information and many more purposes. It allows you to make different calculations using formula and built-in functions. It allows you to sort and rearrange data. It displays numeric data as a chart or graphs, like for example pie charts, line graphs, bar graphs. All these types of different types of graphs and charts are available in the spreadsheet, which can represent your data easily. Okay students, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.